going to be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy S6 Lite. This is now considered a budget tablet, but it's considered one of the best budget in terms of it originally came out in 2020 perhaps, the X6 Lite, but then they did another version of it in 2022 and then 2024, which means it must be popular. So we're just going to open it and let's take a look. So not much information here, just Samsung company box of very basic information, hardly any information on the outside, serial number, etc. And just the model number. Standard Samsung packaging, useful little pulley. There you are. Let's see what else comes with the box, which is not much these days. So it comes with just information pin there. You can get basically you can put a SIM card in it to make calls, like is it 5G nowadays, but this one is just the basic the Wi-Fi version. So this, I'm assuming, is so you can put in an SD card to expand the memory. Let's take a look at the rest. This is just information. Excellent. So you get the cable. As you know, you don't get the charging brick anymore, so it's just a standard Type-C USB cable. And the standard documents you get: quick guide, battery later, and guarantee information. Wow, there's a lot. Yep, I may look at that later for someone who's actually interested in looking at this. Hardly anyone does. So here's the pin. I don't actually need, but I'll take it out anyway, so we can demonstrate later. And it comes with a stylus. This is excellent for people who want to draw, write, especially if you're, I would say, a beginner, but don't want to spend too much on a device, but you want to have a pen. You can buy this S Pen separately, and other S Pens can work on this tablet, but it comes with a very decent size pen. If I compare it to a standard sketching pencil, the size is quite similar, as you can see. And that's it. Nothing else in the box. What is there? Could you surprise me? No surprises. It looks like it's there to surprise someone one day, but not today. So back to the tablet. Open. So I'm not going to discuss the specs right now, just finishing the unboxing and taking a look at how it looks basically. This has to come out here. Yeah, so this is very tight. I wonder which side is supposed to come. Alright, that's for pulling it out actually. Should open it here. Opens like an envelope and it just slides out nicely. Yeah, very reflective. Camera's at the top rather than on the side. And there we are. Back facing camera, and that's about it. You've got the what's called the volume rocker and the power button. It's there. Speaker, headphone jack. Makes a lot of people happy. As I said, we'll discuss that later. One thing I just want to look at quickly is to show you the difference with this. You have card expansion. There you are. You can put a micro SD card in there. So it's not the cellular version where you can put in the data SIM card. The data card, this is just for, it's an SD card for saving, expanding the storage. So you can get a lot of extra storage with this. The good thing about this is you can actually buy the tablet that has the smallest memory built in, and then you just expand the storage whenever you need it. So there you are. That's just the unboxing of the tablet. We'll look at the specs later.